Hey everyone, this is Dylan and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into a crucial technique that can revolutionize your resin 3D printing workflow, hollowing. If you ever wondered why seasoned 3D printing enthusiasts often prefer what might seem like empty models, you are in the right place. We'll be using CHITUBOX Pro to illustrate the incredible benefits of hollowing, from saving resin to boosting your print success rate. Let's unlock the secret. At first glance, you might think a solid model is the way to go, but in the world of resin 3D printing, going hollow can be a game changer. Let's explore why. Printing solid models not only gathers resin, but also increases the risk of warping or cracking due to uneven curing. This is where CHITUBOX Pro's intelligent hollowing feature steps in. So this solid model, it looks complete, but it's a resin-hungry base. Now, let's use CHITUBOX Pro's smart hollowing algorithm to set your desired wall thickness. Let's say we aim for a robust 1.2mm wall. Okay, let's look at this model. It's a miniature owl, and I'll show you how to hollow it at 1.2mm wall thickness. And here, let's to rotate it. We see on the build plate. Nice, looks nice. And then how to hollow it? Just to click on this hollow. You see, and change the parameter to 1.2 wall thickness and keep everything in default. Click on apply. Wait a few seconds. Okay, it's done. You can see now there is a yellow cavity inside it, and we can use this bar to see every layer, how it looks like, and how big is the cavity. Yeah, and slowly slice, slowly screw down. And we can also on top to bottom. Yeah, and it's finishing now. What's brilliant about CHITUBOX Pro is that it intelligently applies this wall thickness while recognizing and preserving the integrity of intricate details that shouldn't be hollowed out. Notice the difference? We'll significantly reduce the internal volume while maintaining a strong outer shell. CHITUBOX Pro even gives you a theoretical estimate of the resin you are saving. Let's take a look at the volume difference before and after hollowing. Okay, now let's compare the volume information and between a solid model and a hollowed model. And now you can see this is a solid model. I haven't hollowed it. And let's rotate it to sit on the plate. Okay, this is great. And then let's check the volume information. Just click on this single parameter slice, and it will show you the volume is 3.796 milliliter. And you can also use this bar to see the model. Every layer it will show you the image. And then remember that number is 3.796 milliliter. And now we are going to hollow it. Yeah, just add 1.2 wall thickness, 1.2 millimeter, and click on apply. Wait a few minutes. It is hollowing, and yeah, it's done. So we can click on single parameter slice to see its volume after hollowing. decreased to 1.911 milliliter. So it just saved a lot and cut off lots of cavity, cut off lots of volume. Go back. As you can see, the theoretical resin savings can be quite substantial. Now, a crucial point, just because the model is hollow doesn't mean you can skimp on supports inside the cavity. Without internal supports, the inner surfaces can deform, leading to layer separation, shifting, or even print failure. Make sure to strategically place supports inside to provide the necessary stability during printing. It's important to understand that the total resin saved won't be exactly the theoretical difference. This is because you'll still have the resin used for the internal support and some residual resin trapped inside the hollow cavity. The best way to see the real savings is to weigh your resin wet before and after printing both a solid and a hollowed version of the same model. You'll see a tangible difference. Hollowing isn't just about saving resin. It significantly boosts your print success rate, especially with larger models. When printing a large solid object, each layer has a significant surface area. This creates a strong pulling force as the build plate leaks, which can lead to the model detaching from the build plate or supports, causing print failure. By hollowing the model, we drastically reduce the surface area of each layer being printed. This minimizes the pulling force, making it much less likely for your print to fail. Reduced pulling force from hollowing has another fantastic benefit. It allows us to use finer support. Thinner support means less material used overall, further contributing to cost savings, but real win is in post-processing. Thicker supports leave larger contact points, requiring more time and effort for sanding and cleanup. You might even accidentally damage the model's surface or need to fill in gaps. Finer supports, thanks to the reduced pulling force of hollowed models, have much smaller contact points. This makes support removal significantly easier, faster, and less likely to damage your intricate details. Less handling, less frustration, and a cleaner final product. If you are printing parts that need to fit together, hollowing can also improve accuracy. When printing solid interlocking parts, variations in shrinkage across different sections can lead to poor fit and require a lot of manual adjustment. Hollowing promotes more consistent shrinkage during the curing process because the resin is curing around a defined enclosed space. The shrinkage becomes more uniform across different sections. This leads to significantly better dimensional accuracy and a much tighter, more reliable fit between your parts, less sanding and more perfect assemblies. Alright, let's jump back into CHITUBOX Pro and see these hollowing features in action. We'll compare the results of different hollowing settings on the model like this cool miniature owl. We'll look at no hollowing, solid, to see the baseline, and 1.2mm wall thickness, a common and generally robust setting, and 2mm wall thickness for potentially higher strengths in certain areas, and 5mm wall thickness to illustrate a thicker hollowed wall. Okay, let's look at this model and I will show you the different wall thickness. And as I will show you the 3 different wall thickness, so I have to copy it. Sorry, I have to select the model. Click on this, copy 2. Yeah, and now there are 3 outs. And what I have to do is to hollow them separately. Click on this, I will hollow it at 1.2mm wall thickness. Click on apply. Okay, the animation, and you can see the yellow cavity. And the second model, I'll follow it at 2mm light. Yeah. Okay, and the third one, I'll follow it at 5mm. 5mm. Okay, I think it's done, and you can see that the yellow cavity is different, and for our 1.2mm wall thickness, the yellow cavity is the largest, and 2mm wall thickness is in the middle. As for the 5mm wall thickness, the yellow cavity is the smallest, and we can use this bar to see the inside image. Screw down, screw up, you can see the cavity. Each layer has different image. This is the largest, and it's middle, and this is smallest, which means the cavity is smallest and you will use the most resin to print it. Okay, now screw down from the top to bottom. Yeah, also you can see like this. Look at this. Okay, now you can see the different wall thickness, and will leading to the different cavity, and what the resin you will use will be different. Notice how CHITUBOX Pro intelligently hollows the model while maintaining the structural integrity of key areas, especially around the interlocking joints. You can clearly see the difference in the internal volume and the resulting wall thickness with each setting. So, as you are seeing, hollowing is a powerful technique in resin 3D printing. It offers a fantastic array of benefits. Significant resin savings, reducing your material costs, increased print success rates, especially for larger models, lower stress on supports, allowing for finer structures and easier removal, less post-processing work, saving your time and effort, improved accuracy for multi-part assemblies. Now, before you rush off to hollow all your models, just one crucial step we haven't talked about yet: drainage hose. This is essential for allowing uncured resin trapped inside the hollow cavity to escape after printing. Without them, you will have a messy situation and potentially a weakened model. Okay, as for how to dig holes in the hollowed model, maybe we can delete this one, and click on this, delete this, and there's only one model left. This is 1.2mm hollowed model. And how to dig hole? Yeah, the hole we can rotate it at the bottom. Typically, we add the drainage hose at the lowest point and the flat surface. And click on this, click hole. Yes, and let's see the diameter. That's okay. Yeah, I think this is good. Maybe you can set up to the 3mm. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think this hole is is large enough, and the resin inside can flow out. And okay, now, and just remember that when you dig hole in the model and there is some pieces, you need to delete it. You don't want it printed out, right? So we have to delete it then manually. Okay, I think that we can print it out use this fire, but we just didn't have slice it. We have to edge support. Sorry, I have to select the model, click on support, and we are now going to edge support. At the first time, I just will first edge some heavy support manually. And look at this red part, and we can edge some heavy support here. And here, I think there is okay. Or here, and maybe here. I just will choose some points in random. Okay, I think that's fine. And next we can add some light support. Light support. Use our auto edge support feature. Let's click on this. Do you want to delete existing support? And it's generating support. Okay, now we just finished this model, and it's always support. I just want to show you the inside support and the cavity. Here you can see there should be some. Yeah, you can see that there's also some support inside the cavity. It's not empty. There is also some support here, and you can also manually add them. But I think that I trust the feature, so I don't want to manually add them anymore. I think that maybe it's enough. Okay, just finally, what you need to do is prepare and click on this. Now it's slicing, and finally save slice, and you can print it out on your printer. We'll be diving deep into the best practices for aiding journey holes in our next video, so make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss it. What are your experiences with hollering? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy printing. Thanks for watching my video, and this is my second YouTube video on CHITUBOX. And I can understand that in my last YouTube video I just saw some comments, and someone just wanted to see some native speaker in our channel, and I can understand. But actually that our company, our CHITUBOX team actually is hiring someone who is a native speaker in English, but we prefer these people can be located in China, and who is also interested in 3D printing, so he can together with me to shoot the following YouTube video. And actually I'm new to this industry, and I have less experience in making the YouTube videos, so just please give me more time and patience, and I will perform better. and I just will try my best to learn about our software and learn about 3D printing and to study how to make good videos. Thank you for your time and thank you for your understanding and patience, and I love all of you, our audience, and I will see those comments. I think those comments will inspire me, encourage me a lot. So I just want to say thank you. See you.